If you're over 65, you've probably heard people say that walking is the best exercise. And yes, walking is great. But what if I told you there are 3 simple exercises that top surgeons and physical therapists say can actually be better than walking for strength, balance, and long-term mobility? In this video, we're diving into exactly what those exercises are, why they matter, and how you can start doing them safely at home starting today. Now, before we jump in, remember, you don't need a gym, you don't need fancy equipment, and you definitely don't need to be in perfect shape already. These exercises are gentle, joint-friendly, and extremely effective at keeping your body strong and pain-free as you age. So let's get into it. As we get older, one of the biggest risks we face is the gradual loss of muscle, which doctors call sarcopenia. It affects balance, mobility, and even confidence. Walking keeps your heart healthy, but it doesn't do much to stop muscle loss. That's where these 3 exercises come in. They activate major muscle groups that walking simply doesn't challenge enough. So exercise number 1 is sit to stand, and it's surgeon approved because it mimics one of the most important movement patterns in your daily life, getting up from a chair. This movement strengthens your legs, your glutes, and your core all at the same time. And guess what? These are the exact muscles you need to prevent falls and stay independent. To do it, simply sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Lean forward slightly, press through your heels, and stand up. Then slowly lower yourself back down. That slow, controlled motion activates your muscles more than walking ever could. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions, rest, and repeat. Over time, try doing it without using your hands. This one movement alone helps improve balance, strength, and coordination. The second exercise is something surgeons love because it targets the most important joint for stability, your hips. It's called standing hip abductions. If you feel unsteady when walking, stepping off a curb, or going upstairs, weak hip muscles are usually the reason. Walking does not strengthen these muscles enough, but this exercise does. Stand next to a wall or counter for support. Shift your weight onto one leg and slowly lift the other leg out to the side. Don't swing your leg, keep the movement controlled. You should feel the muscles on the outside of your hip working. Hold for a moment, then return to the starting position. Do 10 to 12 repetitions on each leg. This exercise helps protect your knees, stabilizes your pelvis, and dramatically improves balance. Many surgeons recommend this for patients recovering from hip or knee surgery because it's low impact but incredibly effective. Now let's move to exercise number 3, calf raises, a simple movement that strengthens your lower legs, ankles, and stabilizing muscles. Why is this better than walking? Because your calf muscles act like pumps, improving circulation and supporting every movement you make. With age, calves weaken quickly, and that can lead to instability, swelling, and slower walking speed. Calf raises keep these muscles strong and responsive. Stand tall, hold on to a wall or counter, and slowly lift your heels off the ground as high as you can. Hold for 1 second, then lower down slowly. That slow lowering motion is key, it builds strength and controls your ankles. Try 10 to 15 repetitions to start. If you feel comfortable, progress to doing them on one leg at a time. This is one of the best exercises for fall prevention, and it protects your knees and hips by absorbing shock with every step you take. Now let's talk about why these 3 exercises combined are better than walking alone. Walking is great for heart health and mood, but it doesn't work the muscles you need most as you age. Walking doesn't challenge the hips enough, doesn't strengthen the calves in a controlled way, and doesn't train the motion of standing up and sitting down. But these exercises directly target your essential functional muscles. When these muscles get stronger, everyday activities get easier, climbing stairs, getting out of bed, carrying groceries, keeping your balance, and moving confidently without fear of falling. Another huge benefit of these exercises is joint protection. Many people over 65 experience arthritis or stiffness in their joints. When your muscles are weak, the joints take the stress. But when your muscles are strong, they absorb that stress, reducing pain and improving mobility. That's why surgeons often recommend strengthening exercises even before surgery, and especially after. They help your joints glide better and stay healthier longer. The great thing is you don't need to do these exercises for an hour a day. Just 10 minutes, 3 or 4 times a week, can make a huge difference. And if you make it part of your routine, after breakfast, during a TV break, or before bed, you'll start feeling stronger within just a few weeks. Let's walk through a simple routine you can follow. Start with sit to stand for 10 reps, rest for 20 seconds. Then do standing hip abductions, 10 reps each leg. Rest again. Finish with calf raises for 15 reps, that's it. Repeat the whole cycle 2 or 3 times depending on your comfort level. Always move slowly and stop if you feel sharp pain. A little muscle burn is okay, that means your muscles are waking up and working. And if balance is a concern, always hold on to a stable surface until you feel more confident. As you get stronger, you can increase difficulty. For sit to stand, use a lower chair or hold a light weight. For hip abductions, add a resistance band. For calf raises, try doing them on a step for extra range of motion. These progressions challenge your muscles in ways walking never will. One more thing, don't forget your posture. Stand tall, pull your shoulders back slightly, and keep your core gently engaged. Good posture helps you breathe better, move better, and look more confident. If you're asking, can I still walk? Absolutely. Walking is still great. But it should be part of your routine, not your only form of exercise. Think of walking as cardio, and these 3 exercises as your strength and balance training. Combining both is the real secret to aging strong. So if you're over 65, or even approaching 65, start with these simple exercises today. They keep your muscles young, your balance sharp, and your body more resilient. No matter your fitness level, you can do this. And the best part is, you'll notice improvements in your daily life. Getting up from a chair will feel easier, your steps will feel lighter, and you'll move with more confidence. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more health-focused content, and let me know in the comments if you want a video with modifications for beginners or for people with knee or hip pain. Take care, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.